Hey everyone! So right now, Kendrick and I are camping in Kentucky with a bunch of our friends, which is awesome, and the perfect opportunity to try a brand new cooking video, which is the first ever Kendrick, Chris collaborative camping kitchen challenge.
KCCKC.
Yeah, I think that's right. So here to help me host is my friend and wife of Chris, Ginger.
Hello, I'm Ginger, Butcher, the butcher's wife.
Ooh,
Well,
that's creepy.
well,
What's our plan here? What's our game plan, Ginger?
I think our plan is the guys want to cook together, but we want to make it hard. So we're going to come up with a couple secret ingredients that they have to use in their cooking tonight. And they need to make an appetizer, a main course, and a dessert. And one of the secret ingredients is they have to use in all three. And then once they find out these ingredients, they get to go to the grocery store for 15 minutes and pick out anything that they need.
15 minutes.
15 minutes.
All right, let's meet our chefs.
Okay, and here are our chefs for this evening. Kendrick, who you all know, and Chris Butcher.
Hey.
The butcher husband. And Chris Butcher. And they will be seeing these for the very first time. And we're going to let you guys go ahead and open them up and start thinking of what you're going to do.
Oh dear.
Okay, we have blueberries. Make a dessert thing going there. Ooh, and Gingersnaps. Okay, there's dessert. Buttery Golden Select mashed potatoes in a bag. We have a Chipotle's dried Chipotle peppers.
I'm seeing some sort of fusion coming on here.
Yeah. Classic guacamole mix because
Any guacamole worth making is worth making with a packet of MSG.
The Gingersnaps must be in all three meals.
So when we go to the grocery store, let's get one of those chickens. We can eat that while we're serving dinner.
Yeah.
Now we're off to Limestone Branch Distillery because we need a tasting before we hit the grocery store and start cooking, right?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Alrighty, let's go.
All right, we're out.
What do you think about the ingredients?
I think they're too easy.
I agree. I feel like we gave it to him really easy.
I agree.
Wait, I
Way
have,
too
I have an
easy.
extra special.
Our choices were the Dollar General or Walmart Supercenter. We chose Walmart Supercenter. So we have exactly 15 minutes starting right now.
All right, let's go. How many people do we have? 9 people?
11.
11 people. Okay. Good to go.
Hey, you don't need to know what we're cooking. We know what we're cooking.
14 minutes.
14 minutes.
You don't
That's way too
know.
much time. You don't know. Too much time.
All right, what do you guys think of the protein?
We got some ground pork and some generic stew meat, and we're gonna make a like a shepherd's pie.
I'm thinking we're gonna nail this.
You look for fruits and veggies. I'll go to Jerry.
Sir,
What kind of vegetables are you looking for?
I don't know. Whatever goes into a shepherd's pie. That's the one.
All right, got some whipping cream.
Nailed it.
All right, you all have 4.5 minutes.
The only other thing is some kind of bourbon to cook with.
I don't think they have bourbon here at Walmart.
You guys sell liquor here? Kendrick, I think we're there.
Hey, we still have time.
You have 2.5 minutes.
Yeah, sorry, that's 1.5 minutes.
We got beer.
All right.
20 seconds. You guys have 20 seconds to get to checkout. All right, 3 seconds. 3 seconds to check out.
3, 2, 1. You get nothing else besides what you have at the self-checkout. We're in the rain, getting ready to go back to camp so they can cook us food. Because we're hungry, it's raining.
It's raining, and we're hungry.
Yeah. It is apparently a very rainy day outside, which means our chefs are beginning in our new camp 400.
Some stuff's going to be in here, and we also have a charcoal fire going outside with Dutch oven. We're going to start with the dessert.
My grandmother always said, life's short, eat dessert first.
We're using our secret ingredient of Gingersnaps, which is required in every dish apparently.
Yeah.
So we're going to make a no-bake cheesecake. Okay, I am using this spoon instead of a stand mixer to mix the brown sugar into the cream cheese.
I'm making sure that these crushed ginger snaps have plenty of butter in them, and then trying to mix it together and form some sort of crust.
Well, I'm starting the extremely long process of making whipped cream, and if I could find some bourbon, I'd put that in there too.
Oh, do you want some bourbon? I have
Yeah.
that. Here you go.
I am making a crust for our dessert.
Well, if we have nothing else, at least we'll have dessert.
That's right.
Okay.
All right, we're folding the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture, and hopefully we'll be able to get this into the pan and into the freezer here in a few minutes. This is the blueberry mix we're going to put on top of our cheesecake. So I'm cooking it down with a little brown sugar and orange juice, and once the berries all pop and kind of soften a little bit, we'll put it on top.
What's the meat for?
For our entree, shepherd pie.
So those will go in the Dutch oven with the onions?
Yeah, the onions and the garlic.
So we've cooked down the blueberries a bit, and we're just going to put them on here as our topper. Spread this out. It's ready to go in the freezer.
What are we doing, guys?
Just wiping sweats off our brows.
Are you ready? Because I'm about to use a secret ingredient. This is guacamole mix, because everyone knows that guacamole mix also makes a wonderful dry marinade for chicken. Because like most powdered things you'll find, it's mostly salt.
Hey, Chris, how's it going? Cooking here in a Tab 400.
It's great. Honestly, there's more space than I thought. It's 6'5" to be able to stand in the galley, cook, hang out with Kendrick here with look at that. Look
Couple
at that
inches
headroom.
of clearance there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The fan has a screen on it, so I'm perfectly safe. So we're just cutting up some peppers. We're going to make some kebabs with some chicken, peppers, and onions, and that'll be our appetizer. Appetizers start at 9. Main course will be about 10:30, and the dessert will be ready in the morning.
All right, we got the sauce drippings from our meat, and we're gonna add a little flour in here and just let it thicken up a little bit.
Yeah, that's looking really good. And the sauce is heating up. Alrighty.
Appetizers are going on the grill.
Well, we're gonna get a nice fire under these kebabs and grill them up.
And it's still raining.
Chicken, pepper, onion.
With a special secret ingredient of
That's right.
guacamole mix. Oh, where are the ginger snaps?
They had to be used in every single part of your meal.
I'll be right back.
Hey, make your ginger syrup.
Can I make it?
Sauce.
So,
Okay. Right. I'm like the worst commentator ever. While the boys are over there trying to cook their meal, Ms. Ginger came over here into the van to make a ginger snap reduction. Simple syrup. Because she's going to be making our cocktails. And the boys haven't yet used ginger in their appetizer.
Uh-oh.
So they're going to need a little bit of your secret sauce.
What I did is I took 3 ginger snaps. I crushed them with, wait for it, this amazing spoon that was actually carved by Roy, the man over there. And this was like the best thing. You first mash it, and then you smoosh it, and then you got this beautiful, beautiful, there's not even any crumbles in there. And just water and ginger snaps.
Do you think you should add bourbon to a little section of it, part of it, for a little bourbon glaze?
That's what they wanted me to do, didn't they?
Okay,
They
yeah.
wanted bourbon ginger snap glaze on the chicken kebabs that they've already kind of mulled over in the guacamole.
That's
stuff
it. All the secret things.
to help the boys, and we're helping the boys.
I know. Everybody, please note we're helping the boys.
And that's going to go on top of the chicken kebabs, and we'll see how that goes.
So our entree is basically a shepherd's pie, which is going to be meat and some veggies, and we also added chipotle because that's one of our ingredients. One of our other ingredients that we have to use in every single dish is ginger snaps. So I'm adding some very finely ground ginger snaps into the mashed potatoes that will go on top of our shepherd's pie.
Our first course tonight, we have a chicken and veggie kebab that were rolled in a guacamole dip packet. We've put a reduced bourbon ginger snap marinade on top, locally cooked by me. They are also locally sourced at the grocery store.
Okay, everyone,
Now, somebody
enjoy.
eat the damn thing.
Good fresh veggies.
The veggies are 100% vegetarian.
More.
The chicken was
Just more.
excellent. Good job.
This is so delicious. I can't believe.
Whatever the spices were,
Yeah.
were succulent.
I would give him a 9.5. But
Yeah.
nine. Yeah.
Let's say 9.
But you would
Yeah.
say this is
I'll give it a
definitely.
9.
Let's
As I
round
said,
down.
this would win Chopped.
All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to make an old-fashioned. And we're going to make an old-fashioned with a twist. We've made a reduction of ginger snap cookies. And we add a little bit of maple syrup, and it's just got a nice, Let's start with a wee bit of our sugar. And then we have aromatics. 1, 2. Okay. And then, and this is new. I saw this today when we were at the Limestone. They used orange bitters. They also used a black walnut. I wasn't going to buy yet another bitter while I was on the road, but you might want to try that. So here we go. Just a little bit. Not a lot of the orange bitters. And then we add some whiskey, bourbon. I should measure this, but yeah, maybe about like that. You need a little bit of orange. So we're just going to do a little peel. You just want to twist it, and then you rub it around the rim. Okay, that's your orange. And we're going to go ahead and put, I'm a little bit overzealous. I'm going to put 2 cherries in there. And here we go. A little bit of ice. Put that in there. You got this perfect ginger snap, old-fashioned, and it's just tasty.
Do we know what's in this pot? It's a mystery pot.
It's a history pot. We just found this here in the bottom of the fireplace. Well, it's done.
All right. And now for our entree, we have a shepherd's pie with chipotle. So it's got a little heat to it, a little smokiness to it. It's basically just a little bit of meat, some veggies, and then we covered it with mashed potatoes. The ginger snaps are kind of crumbled up and mixed in with the mashed potatoes.
This is fabulous.
Wow!
This is incredible.
Oh, there's this like spicy bite and some like going on.
Delicious.
Very good.
And you're right. It was perfect for a cold, rainy night.
Just like Mama used to make.
Did Mama used to make ginger snap shepherd's pie?
A solid 859.
Okay.
Give it an easy 9.5.
9.
I'd give it an 8.5.
8.5. 9.
Spice.
I think we're going to average it out to 9.
I'm trying to use the last of these damn ginger snaps. Oh, I'm sorry. So we're doing a light dusting of ginger snap crumb on the top.
To get rid of the last of these damn ginger snaps.
Kendrick put together the crust of this, which is crumbled ginger snaps, and he crisped that over the stovetop. I whipped cream cheese and brown sugar.
Wow.
Yes, and then I made heavy whipping cream, and I made cream out of that, which was not easy with a fork. So then we put the blueberries on the stovetop and with a little orange juice and brown sugar and reduce those down, put those on top of this.
Outstanding.
Yes! Oh, this is awesome.
Way exceeded expectations. Wonderful.
The dessert. This was the great topper.
It was passable. No, it was awesome. It was awesome.
Here's to the rain stopping. Maybe.
Someday.
Cheers to all. Oh, snap.
Also, here's to a successful Chris and Kendrick's camper cook-off collaboration
Kitchen.
challenge in the kitchen with ingredients and stuff.
I'm ready for the next Chopped episode. How about y'all? Woo!
Are we not
You
eating
call
yet?
that trimming chicken thighs.
You need to get on. It's burning on the bottom. You've got to stir that out.
My mother can trim chicken thighs better than you.
Okay, I can't use stuff when you cuss. You guys are being hilarious, but I cannot use it.
Beep it out.